Welcome, kids! Come sing with me! Well, fun kids, come sing with me. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. Let's learn, dance, throw it in your hands. Fun, enjoy it, learn and land. A for apple, red and sweet rose. B for ball that rolls on feet. Well, C for cat, so cute and small. T for dog who loves to call. And G for elephant, big and gray. F for fish that swims all day. T for what, it jumps around. H for hat that can be found. I for ice cream, cold and yummy wine. J for juice that fills my tummy up. K for kite that flies so high. L for lion, king of sky. M for monkey, funny young kid. N for nest where birdies sit. O for orange, juicy treat me. T for parrot, green and sweet. Q for queen with golden crown. Then R for rabbit hopping around her. S for sun that shines so bright. T for train goes choo-choo right rain. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van that run the lane. W for watch that tells the time. X for sang song with rhymes. Y for yak with hairy face. Z for zebra with black, white, gray. Free, hooray, you learn with me. Now count along. 1, 2, 3. 1, sun shining bright. Let 2, birds take their flight. Let 3, cats play with yarn. 4, sheep on the farm. 5, ducks swimming slow. 6,